Hope that everybody's having a good day. Today is March 17th, 2023. Gonna talk about the dreams I've had and what all's happened. The topic is high winds, and the first dream was night before last, which would have been on the 15th of March. I dreamed that I was in California. I have never been to any part of California ever in my life, but I dreamed that I was in California and non-thunderstorm winds. The sky was sunny, it was blue, but the winds were gusting to 80 miles per hour, or some of it was higher than that. I was watching it take down huge big trees, just wholesale. I mean, trees were falling and the wind was gusting, breaking big limbs out of it. And then I looked down the street and it looked like a war zone. Big tall pine trees and huge cedars were just snapped, laying all over houses and homes all over everywhere. I mean, everything was just covered up with downed trees. And you know, I was watching 100-year-old trees just uproot and just fall over in them wind gusts. And then I woke up, and that was the first dream. And so then after I woke up the next day in Oklahoma, we had 40 to 50 mile per hour winds all day long. And I came out here to take a walk, and several of the gusts were so strong that it knocked me literally off of the path out here. That was real life the next day. A whole day of 40 to 50 mile an hour wind. And then on the 16th, we had a cold front coming through. This is real life. And we had 40 to 50 mile an hour winds out of the south all morning. Then it kind of died down. Well, about 6 o'clock at night, the wind got up out of the north, and it was gusting 40 to 50 with some gusts up to probably 55 miles per hour or more. I know that every now and then I'd hear trees snapping and breaking in the distance, and this was last night in real life in Oklahoma. It was snapping some trees and stuff. I mean, it was absolutely roaring. So we had that, and then I dreamed last night, you know, going into the 17th here, that I was at an apartment, you know, with family, and the wind was real bad at that apartment, 40 to 50 mile an hour, gusting up to 60. And I saw a big awning on the patio in that dream, and the wind was just flapping it around. And this is an aluminum awning. It was flipping it around, threatening to just rip it off. And you'll get a laugh out of this. A lady came to the door of the apartment and said, "My chairs blew away last night. Can you help me find them?" And then I was fixing to leave that area, and there was a Walmart, you know, over the hill in that dream, and it said Bowl Walmart, B-O-W-L, Bowl Walmart. There was a Target right beside it, and you know, there was a shopping center, and I was fixing to tell everybody I was leaving and wasn't gonna be coming back in this dream. And we never did find the ladies' chairs, and I just thought I would tell you that I've had a big barrage of very high winds, you know, in dreams and in real life. And you know, today it was gusting 30 to 35 for the first half of the day today. This is the calmest we've had the wind in about 4 days. And it's sustained at about 10 with some gusts still up to 20. Much love, everybody, and I thought I would tell you that.